This is our lesson on order of operations with integers. We know, or we learned earlier this year, that order of operations, we use Pemdas. Pemdas stands for parentheses, exponents, multiplication or division. Remember, we go from left to right, or add or subtract from left to right. So today we're still going to be using that, just with some integers in it. So we're going to do some examples. Okay, our first example, we have negative 15 divided by 3 plus 14. So we're going to start in the parentheses with negative 15 divided by 3. Since these are different signs, we have a negative here and there's an imaginary plus. This is going to be a negative answer, and 15 divided by 3 is 5. Then we're going to bring everything down. Now, when we added and subtracted integers, remember we circle the first number, circle the second number. The first number, there's a negative, so this is team negative. The second circle is a positive, so it is team positive. The positives win, so your answer will be a positive, and they won by 9, so the answer is positive 9 for this problem. Second problem, we have open parentheses, negative 12 times 5 divided by 10. So negative 12 times 5, again, these are different signs, so it's going to be negative. 12 times 5 is 60. Bring down the divided by 10. Now, negative 60 divided by 10, again, these are different signs, so your answer will be a negative. 60 divided by 10 is 6, and that's your answer. Going to do one more together. 12 divided by negative 2 plus, open parentheses, 4 squared minus 26. This is kind of a long one. Okay, so we're going to start in parentheses first. Inside the parentheses, we're going to do 4 squared, which is 16. Remember, 4 squared means 4 times 4, which is 16. Bring everything down. Okay, then the next step, we still have parentheses, so we have 16 minus 26. Doing the circles, we have 16 and minus 26. The 16 is team positive, the minus 26 is team negative. So the negatives win by 10. So it's negative 10. Bring everything down. You can put the negative in the answer just to keep the negative sign with the number. Now we have division. 12 divided by negative 2. These are different signs. There's an imaginary plus there, so those are different, which means this is negative 6 plus negative 10. Since these are both on team negative, we are going to add them together and keep the negative sign. So 6 plus 10 is 16, and they're on the team negative, so the answer is negative 16. Try this next one on your own, and then check your answer. You can pause the video. Okay, so inside the parentheses, we have negative 3 plus 8. Negative 3 is team negative, plus 8 is team positive. There are more positives than negatives, so the positives won by 5, because 8 minus 3 is 5. Now remember, a number next to parentheses means multiply. So you're multiplying here, and they are different signs, so the answer will be negative 30. Try this next one on your own, and pause the video and then check. Okay, so with this one, we know that the fraction bar means divide. Whenever you see a problem like this, you're going to do whatever is on top of the fraction bar first. So 15 minus 20. 15 is team positive, minus 20 is team negative. So the negatives won by 5, because 20 minus 15 is 5, over negative 5. We're dividing again, but they are the same signs, so same signs, you will get a positive answer. 5 divided by 5 is 1. The answer is positive 1 for this problem. Try the next two on your own and then check your answers. You can pause the video. Okay, so checking your answers. 8 times 8 is 64. Bring everything down. Then 64 minus 4 is 60. Bring everything down. Next step is the exponents. 5 squared, that means 5 times 5, which is 25. Bring everything down. The next step, 25 plus 10 is 35. Bring down the minus 60. 35 minus 60, your two teams. You have team positive, team negative. The negatives win by 25. So the answer is negative 25 for this problem. Last question. Since these are all multiplying problems, you are going to just move from left to right. So negative 4 times negative 10, they are both negatives, so same signs means you will get a positive answer, which is 40. Bring down the times negative 3. These are different signs, so you will get a negative answer, and 40 times 3 is negative 120. Remember to use your integer rules. If you need to go watch the integer videos, you can. Your homework is now the order of operations 1 through 24. If you need to stop the video or replay any parts of the video, you can do that.